I got to ask this question. How do I change my name in Google so that when I send an email message out, my name is changed? Example, maybe you got married or divorced and you want to change your name, or you spelled your name incorrectly when your Google account was set up. There are two methods that you may need to use. I'm going to show you the primary one, and then I'll show you the alternative method that you could use. The primary one is to go to your Google account, manage your Google account, and go to personal information. And right here, under basic information, name, click on that arrow right there. You can change your name right there, and you can change your display name. One of those two may be all you need to do. Primarily, the display name may be all you need to do. However, if that doesn't work, it's probably because you have the ability to send mail as another account name. And let me show you what that's all about. So change it there, or come back out of here and go back to Gmail. Now, if you changed it under your Manage Your Google account, you're going to need to hit refresh for the system to pull your name that you updated. If that doesn't work, it's right here under the sprocket. Click on the sprocket. Go to See All Settings and go to Accounts, and you may have the ability to send mail as another email address. My primary email address is tlburris@teddyburris.com, but I created an alternative email address, tlburris@burrisconsulting, related to the business. Now, if I'm sending an email, I also have the ability to send emails, other email addresses as well that I'm connecting myself to. But right here's the magic. If I send my email out using tlburris@teddyburris.com, it's going to show up as Teddy Burris. But I could edit this one, and look right here. I have the ability to change the spelling or change the name altogether and save changes. And now when I go to compose an email, look, it's sending as Teddy L. Burris using this email address. But look, if I switch back and use Teddy Burris, it's Teddy Burris at tlburris@teddyburris.com. Notice the difference because, again, I have the ability to send mail as either of these email addresses or these as well. Bottom line is you're going to have to either A, change the name under my Manage Your Google account, or change the name under Accounts, Send Mail As. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.